Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. My today's recipe is halwa. But you must be surprised to see this melon here. No, don't be surprised. Actually this is melon peel halwa. I have taken this white portion and made halwa out of it. It's another recipe in my best out of waste recipe. I have made dosa with this peel. I have made chutney with this peel, and recently I had made some candies out of this peel. Now my today's recipe is halwa. It's very tasty, delicious, and please visit my channel. Do follow the recipe and make best out of this waste, and do consume. Don't throw the waste, and make this luscious, very delicious halwa out of it. So for that, please subscribe to my channel Cook with Reena and come cook with me, along with me. Just now I am going to show it how to cook this delicious halwa. So viewers, join me in Cook with Reena. Peel off this green portion from the melon and take only the white one, like this. Even if there is little red is left, no issues, no worries. Hi viewers, my today's recipe is melon peel melon. This white portion I have taken. This one I have peeled off the green one and the white one, and I'll grated these and I'll make halwa out of it. Just like gajar halwa, we make carrot halwa. Just like that, I'll make it. I have peeled it, these, then I have grated it from the bigger sides, and this is the portion, like this. Wash nicely, then peel off the green one, then grate it, and it's ready to go for halwa. So it's ready. Now I shall cook it in ghee, that is clarified butter, and finish off with some reduced milk and some dry fruits. Let's start cooking it. The pan is hot. I shall pour 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. In this goes this. This is almost 250 grams. After grating, it weighs to 250 grams. It will release lot of water, because as we know, melon is almost very watery and contains lot of water. That's why it's very good to consume in summer days. So we have to cook these peels in its own water. So we shall cover it and cook for 5 minutes till it is soft, and in intervals we have to stir it. Before covering, I shall add 1/4 teaspoon rather, salt, because as we know, in every dessert it's required to add little salt to balance the taste. Then the sugary sweet taste comes best. I'll cover it and cook it in medium flame till it is soft. It will become transparent. Oh, see, it's nicely cooked. It has softened. Like this. It has changed its color. Now it's time to add sugar. So this is 250 grams I said. So first I'll add here 50 grams of sugar. I'm using unrefined sugar. I don't use refined sugar. If you don't have unrefined sugar, you can use brown sugar. And of course, if you want, you can use refined sugar also. It's up to you. This will melt gradually. And now I'll add some. You can add any flavor you want, any essence, pineapple, orange, lemon, but I love this green cardamom flavor in halwa. So I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder in it. Cardamom powder and halwa goes great. The sugar will melt and will mix up with this peels. I have tasted it will require almost 20 grams of more sugar. It's not that sweet, so I'll add to this. So first I had added 50 grams, now 20 grams more. That makes to 70 grams of unrefined sugar. Of course, if you use refined sugar, you may require only 50 grams. So you can see sugar has melted. It's come into the fried status. It has dried up. Now I shall add some reduced milk. This is reduced milk. We call it khoya also, but it is in liquid form because I have made it at home. I have taken half liter of milk, and I have reduced it to only 1/4. And out of that I shall add 2 tablespoons. I think I'll add 3 tablespoons out of it in this. Just like in carrot halwa, we cook it in milk or sometimes add some reduced milk khoya. Just similarly, I have added this milk in this halwa. See, it's done. Everything has come together. The sugar and that reduced milk has combined nicely with the peels, and it's giving the flavor of halwa and texture also and the look also. So finish it with some dry fruits. I'll switch off the oven, otherwise it will burn from below. Now some nuts, toasted almonds, and some cashews. And you know, we love lot of ghee in our halwa, so pour some ghee from above, and it is done, ready to serve. Isn't it gorgeous? So Viewers, if you have liked this recipe, please do click on the like button and subscribe my channel to get notifications of my new recipes, new addition to my channel. So see you in next time with some more recipes, and I'll show to finish it with some presentation, good presentation. This is the way you can present it like this. It's so attractive and your guests or family members will be really happy to have it. Nowhere it tastes like melon. It's giving completely different flavor, just halwa. It is looking like semolina halwa. So please do try this recipe. Thank you.